Yo, what's good? This is how I made 46% return trading Reddit today in about an hour. So we're going to put it on replay mode on the daily. We had a decent wedge. Honestly, not an A++ setup, but I liked how the stock gapped up off of earnings. Started the wedge, like it had a big move up. Let's see how much the percentage was off of this. We had a 56% move up, which I'm shooting for 20, and then we moved up, and then we pulled back, and we started getting tight on these EMAs, right? So basically what I wanted to do today, I saw momentum yesterday, and I saw the volume descending off of this pump, so I felt like it was a good trade. Also, before market open, NQ was pumping and pushing past this wedge, which now it's failing, which is fine with me. I'm done for the day, but let's get on the lower time frame. So I entered off of a 5-minute candle closure. Right on the candle, we opened up with a lot of volume. We'll go in replay mode. So what we did right here was we opened up with a good 5-minute candle closure, as you can see, gapping up. We took out these highs. Then as soon as this candle, the second candle closure, pushed above the last candle closure right here, I got my entry. We set in chop for probably 20 minutes. I was a little iffy on this because the big indices weren't really moving well. So I was looking to get a short. I only got a 1-to-1 risk reward, but I took a 0 DTE options contract, which is fine with me. And yeah, so watch how this plays out. As you can see, it hit the EMA, respected it, started bouncing decently nice. And right here, we top ticked, right? We top ticked the stock. It pumped up really nice. We'll go down to a lower time frame. So we were in a lot of chop right here. Bouncing off of the 50-day on the 1 minute. I was watching the 1 minute because I was thinking about cutting my position short, but I also saw this little wedge being built, like right here. We popped off of these highs and rejected them. And then once I saw us get back above these two levels, I knew that it was going to go up more. So I just waited for a 40% return. That's really my strategy criteria right now, just to maximize profits. We hit that. And then if you look, if I didn't follow my plan and I was greedy, look what would have happened. Literally, let's see. In the next 15 minutes off of this, right, I hit my TP. If I held it and tried to shoot for higher, like, oh, well, let's target these highs up here, I would have got stopped out. So literally all it is following your rules. Following your rules is literally so OP. It's literally all you need to be profitable. Find your edge in the market and follow your rules, and you will become profitable. All you have to do is follow them. It's really hard, but if you follow them, it pays off, as you can see. Because I could have been greedy. Like I said, I could have saw that top tick and been like, oh, I just hit 40%. Let's move my stop loss up to break even, and I'm going to hold this, try to shoot for 60 to 80% just to try to get a little extra money. And I would have got stopped out. So literally all it is following your plan and taking your profit. You literally just have to be grateful for what you're given in the market. If you see a setup and you hit your criteria, don't guess it, and don't second question yourself whether you should sell or not. If you're asking yourself whether you should sell or not, that means that you should sell. Like, I've done it so many times. I'm like, oh, should I trim here? And then in the next 5 minutes, it just dumps, or it goes back in the chop in this medium break-even phase, and then it stops out later in the day. Like, literally, all you have to do is follow your plan. Trust in your plan and just build over time, and you're going to become profitable. But we hit a nice trade this morning. It was only traded for about an hour. 10:10 is when we were out, so I traded for 40 minutes. And yeah, we got a 40% return, 46%. I think my options contract was about 50%, but the spreads weren't the best. So when I got myself out, I got a 46%. Also, another thing that I'm realizing is when I'm looking at the spreads when I'm selling, a lot of the time I'm trying to change the fill price higher. Like yesterday, I took a trade and it literally went from green to red like this. Like I hit my TP, I was like 80%, and I was trying to just get that little extra bit more, like I said earlier. And guess what? I got stopped out because I was trying to get that extra bit more versus just selling what the spread was. So literally, just don't be greedy. Don't fear your trade. Don't hesitate. You see your entry, take it, let it play out. If you win, you win. If you lose, you lose. All we can do is learn and, yeah, get better. Thanks for watching, and we're going to have more videos soon.